Good evening everyone, welcome to Shamrocks Scale Mahotsav News Bulletins. As part of Shamrocks Sports Day celebration, the opening ceremony was conducted with great enthusiasm, sportsmanship and grandeur. The event commenced with discipline and colourful march past, reflecting unity and sportsmanship among the students. This was followed by an inspiring torch-bearing ceremony led by the national and international sports winners of our school, symbolizing excellence and determination. A memorable highlight of the ceremony was the formal inauguration by our President Ma'am, who along with CUI kids released balloons into the sky, marking the official opening of the Sports Day ceremony and spreading a message of joy, peace and unity. The ceremony set an energetic and motivating tone for the sports events. Sports finals were conducted today. Finals were conducted successfully for the CUI students. Grade 1 participated in frog jump, Grade 2 participated in swimming and Grade 10 IGCSE and CBSE students participated in circuit race. Stay tuned to know the winners of today's competitions that will be released in tomorrow's news bulletin. News by Lasya, see you tomorrow. Thank you.